Find a location for your heat pump. The heat pump should be placed near a window and an outlet. The exhaust hoses have a maximum straight extension of 4 feet 8 inches. The power cord has a maximum extension of 6 feet. Window installation. Measure the inside maximum width or height of your window. You will use a combination of the 3 provided plastic panels depending on the size of your window space. If your window space is between 15 and 15.75 inches, use only the panel with the 2 exhaust hose outlets. If your window space is between 15.75 inches and 31.5 inches, you will need to cut the spacer panel down to size. This can be done with various tools. If your window space is between 31.5 inches and 47 inches, you will be using all 3 panels. Connect the panels using the provided materials, a screw, a gasket, and a nut. Refer to page 16 of the Friedrich instructional guide included in the box for part descriptions. First, place the screw through the existing hole in the panel with 2 exhaust outlets. Then, place the gasket on the screw and tighten with the nut. Leave the nut loose so that it can be adjusted. Slide the wide backside of the screw through the groove in the spacer panel, then tighten. If necessary, repeat this process with the 3rd panel to extend the window kit to fit your window. Place the assembled window kit into the window space you have chosen. Extend as far as possible and tighten any nuts. Make sure that both exhaust hoses are locked into place by rotating clockwise on the base. Once the window panel is installed and the heat pump is in place, connect both exhaust hoses to the exhaust hose outlets in the window panel. Plug the power cord into an outlet and place the provided batteries into the remote. Note: for maximum efficiency, block any gaps around the window kit. Any open space will allow outside air to travel into your home and will slow the heating or cooling process. You may want to purchase window sealing tape or even weather seal strips for larger gaps. Using your portable heat pump. Press and hold the mode button and the minus button for 5 seconds to turn on energy-saving mode. Press and hold the mode button and the plus button for 5 seconds to turn on the powerful mode. Cooling or heating your space prior to on-peak electricity rates, 4 to 9 p.m., can help reduce electricity bill impacts. Using the portable unit instead of a wall furnace during winter may decrease your gas bill, improve the indoor quality of your home, and directly heat the room you are in instead of indirectly heating your home.